question of code forces, which is of previous contest 1925A. So let's solve it. So what the question is saying is that there are two positive integers and k. Now you need to find a string s such that all possible strings of length n that can be formed using the first k lowercase English alphabets occur as a subsequence of s. Okay, so I will try to explain what is the question is telling you to find. So so let's go with, okay, so let's say your n is equal to 2, let's say, and let's say your k is equal to 3. Okay, so what this means is that you need to give an answer of string s which in which all the substrings of length 2 be there as a subsequence in s. So what are the possible substrings which are formed by first k lowercase alphabets? So this k is 3, right? Now, what does it mean? It means is that you can choose to make a substring from this A, B, and C. Means of length 2, you can make what type of strings? You can make A, you can make A, right? You can make B, C. You can make C, C. You can make B and A, right? So, how many strings you can make? You can make, so for the first position, as your n is equal to 2, it means that you have to make two length string. So for the first position you have three choices, A, B, C, and in second position also you have three choices. Means total string you can make is 9 in this our test case. Means here BA, BB, CC, B, CB is all that, and there were total 9 strings. Okay, so you need to find a string as which in which all this 9 strings can come as a subsequence of s. So how we will be doing it? So let's say you take a string s which is like ABC only, right? ABC, and you take add it like, okay, here is also a ABC. What I'm trying to say is that, let's say you're string ABC and ABC. This is, I have just to differentiate you why we need this ABC and this ABC and this another ABC. See, here I have any option to choose, right? Here I have any option to choose, and here also I have any option to choose. Means that I can form any string of this or from this box by s, because I can choose A, I can choose here A, I can choose A and B, I can choose A and C, I can choose B and I can choose B, I can choose B A, I can choose B C, I can choose C A, C B, C C. Means as you can see from this string ABC and ABC, you can form this all types of strings. So what does it mean? It means that you can take any combination of this three of ABC. Like you can take B, you can take B, C, A at one side, and plus you can take A, B, C. This can also work because you can choose B A, B B, B C, C A, C C, C B. Here CA works, I agree, but CC can't work. You need this type of strings. So how we solve this problem? So let's now talk about this question in terms of n and k, right? So what the k will give? K will give our first k alphabets. Means let's take a string s1 which tells that how much length will be, like, let's say it's A, B, C up to kth alphabet, right? Now what is our n telling about? The n is telling about how many times this s1 is going to be repeated. So what is our answer, which is our string? How it looks like? It looks like, so you take this k strings, this s1 one time, s2 two time, s3 s1 one time, here also s1 second time, here also s1 up to n times, which will ensure which will ensure that all your substrings are confirmed. Like, this is of k size, this is also of k size. So n into k is your the size of the answer. N into k is the your size of the answer. And as the in the question it is told that we want smallest length. It is smallest because you can't go beyond small than that. So let's code it up. Let's code it up. I've just taken input n and k. Now see what we need, our string s1 which is going to be repeated n times. So how we can form it? So we can have for loop here which goes from 0 to k and which takes inputs like a plus I. What it does is that, and let's have typecasting here. So char a plus I gives us char a plus I gives us character from I distance. Like, okay, it's a plus 1 will give me b, a plus 0 will give me a. So what I mean is, let's say a plus 1 will give b character, then let's say you have a plus 2, you get c. So okay, so for example you have b plus 2, what will be it is d, right? So it's how we use sky value. It's basically about sky value, right? We have got our s1. Now our string which is ans, what it will be doing, we will append s1 n times. What we're doing, append s1 n times in ans, which is our answer, right? So ans n times, we will be adding it. Okay, so ans s1 of n times, and we will print it out. So this is the small code of our a question. If you have any doubts regarding this question, you can ask in our comments section. You can take any, like here I have taken s1 as abc. You can take it cba, bac, anything you want, it is okay. And be and make ensure that you take s1 as n times, right? You can't take like a, you can't like a b b b and c c c. You can't take like that a b b c c. Why I am telling that you can't take like a b b c c? Because it will not cover the case of ca, ba. They will obviously cover the case a b, a c, b c, but make ensure, we have to ensure that a b c as a group comes together. A b c as group comes together one time, second time, and up to n time. Okay, so thank you.